Calpol syrup is a cough and cold medicine available over the counter. It's commonly used to treat cough, throat irritation, and chest congestion. It may be suitable for both adults and children. Check the label for details. It works on both dry and wet coughs, depending on the version. Calpol syrup contains a mix of active ingredients. Dextromethorphan helps to suppress the cough reflex. Guaifenesin works to loosen mucus in your chest. Some versions include antihistamines to ease allergy symptoms. Others may contain paracetamol for fever and body aches. Always read the label carefully before taking Calpol syrup. The usual dose for adults is 5 to 10 ml, 2 to 3 times a day. For children, use only the pediatric version and follow your doctor's advice. It's best taken after meals, using the provided measuring cup or spoon. Never exceed the recommended dose. Do not take Calpol syrup if you're allergic to any of its ingredients. Avoid alcohol while taking this medicine. It can increase drowsiness. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor first. Keep it out of reach of children. Common side effects may include drowsiness, dizziness, or upset stomach. If you feel very sleepy or notice a skin rash, stop using it and see a doctor. If your cough lasts more than 7 days, seek medical advice. Calpol syrup is a reliable option for fast cough relief, but remember, don't just treat the symptoms, treat the cause. Always talk to a healthcare provider if you're unsure. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.